Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Makia Forex, and on this video I'm doing a live reaction. I can't believe that the FX Gold, which are the biggest YouTuber and the biggest traders in South Africa, have been exposed. They have been exposed by this guy called Flix. I can't believe that the FX Gold have been trading demo accounts. So they have this video where they're actually trading on a demo account and they're saying that they deposited this amount of money and they're doing this amount of withdrawal. I won't say too much. Let's go straight into the video. Before getting to that, if you're new to this channel, please hit that like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let's do the live reaction.
Welcome to another banger on my channel. Today I got something really interesting for you guys. It seems like the FX coach are trading demo accounts and they are passing them off as real accounts. They go as far as showing deposits and withdrawals. And as you know me, I'm not just gonna come here and make claims. I'm gonna show evidence to prove what I'm trying to tell you. So stick up until the end of the video because things get really interesting. FX coach recently launched a challenge $100 to $5,000, and this obviously shows you guys who they are targeting. Nonetheless, I'm gonna break this challenge down from a marketing perspective so that you guys can get the beat with it. Firstly, the name of the challenge tells you exactly who they are targeting. They are targeting people from a lesser income, because if we are truly being honest, no person worth money. And it is a trade that they took at the 4th minute and 18th second in this video. Now, I don't want to sound disingenuous and I don't want to sound like I'm hating at all, but just hear me out. At the 4th minute and 18th second, they show a trade that they took. They are already in their cells and they have already placed analysis for this, kind of validating why they are taking this trade. That trade goes to hit SL, and per their analysis they should have exited that trade. But why is that trade still running on their account? Does this mean the people that took the signal in this group that they actually hit SL while the coach didn't? Because further on in the video, they do show that the trade actually went their way and they did make some profit off it. I mean, am I hallucinating here, or are we seeing that this trade shot to stop loss right in front of our eyes? Now at this point, I'm really confused because the coach have made several videos about risk management. They have preached on end about using stop loss. But why does it seem like they aren't following their own advice? Now, to get to the part where I actually see the demo account tag, I want to play the small clip from this video for you guys so that you can actually see it and hear it, because in here one of the twins is talking about the deposits that they have made, the withdrawals that they have made, and I am just highly confused because my demo accounts don't allow me to put money into that account. My demo accounts don't allow me to take money from it. So how is it possible that their demo account is showing that? Take a look at this.
Today we're having a lovely morning. We're able to scale on this particular trade over here. I'm going to be teaching you the exact same skill that helped us grow our XNS account to be able to take 50,000 deposit and make over 1.2 million profits, and we're able to withdraw 66,000 overall withdrawal on this particular account using the exact same skill that I want to teach you guys in this video. But it's also important to know that we also take losses, guys. Losses are part of the game. As you can see, we also do take losses. So we're going to teach you how to be able to manage your losses, how to improve your overall trading, and you need to also be able to use a reliable broker. And for that, we have XNS. For XNS, guys, this is where we're able to make our withdrawal. Over here you can see that's the withdrawal that we made. That is the date that I put in to show you guys that's the withdrawal that we made with 0 charges. So if you want to know how to do that, just need to come to the withdrawal tab and you can use direct banking withdrawal, of which is called internet banking. It also has a 0% fee. It has a limit of 12.5 thousand USD. But if you use TRC20, of which that is crypto, you have up to 10 million USD that you can withdraw with a 0% fee. So that's exactly what we want to show you guys, to know how to be able to maximize profit and how to grow a small account using the exact same process that we used to grow this account from over 50,000 deposit and making over 1.2 million. Guys, Forex trading can change your life. Today I'm here, guys. I don't need to do anything. I made a lot of money.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
suspicious because for the majority part in this video, right, they act shady with the camera when it comes to the top tab where you can see demo account. So Ace guys, I can't believe this, man. Did I see correctly?
Whoa, can you guys see this? It's actually a demo account. Like, it's actually a demo account. Like, you can't believe what these guys are out there doing. Like, you can't believe what these guys are out here doing. So all what he was saying was him making $1.2 million on a demo account, and you know, showing us a withdrawal which he made on Xness. So these just show how fake some of these FX mentors are online, deceiving people that they're making withdrawals. This is not good at all in the industry, because it deceives a lot of people, because people are coming in hoping that they can become like them, but most of these people are not actually showing the real truth behind the game. Like, I can't believe that it was a demo account. I really just can't believe that the FX God actually trading demo account and telling us how they are making deposits, how they're making withdrawals. So I saw the withdrawal which he made. Okay, I saw the withdrawal which he made on Xness, but he's trading a demo account. So what actually happened that he was able to make a withdrawal on a demo account? The truth is that if you look at the withdrawal, right, there's a lot of shady things in the withdrawal, because if you're withdrawing from your trading account, you're supposed to see like withdrawal from trading account to crypto wallet. Then from your crypto wallet, you now get it now to your external wallet. But the withdrawal I'm seeing here is just directly from his crypto wallet to maybe his Binance, Bybit, or any other crypto platform he's using apart from Xness. So it's all fake. It's fake, and it's very, very clean over there that it's fake, because the first red flag was the lot size I'm seeing him using. Second red flag was the fact that he's actually hitting stop loss but it's not closing it straight. The third red flag is that we saw the demo at that particular page, at that particular place. I can't believe that the FX God are using demo accounts on their videos to tell people that they're actually making withdrawals. Meanwhile, they're actually withdrawing from a demo account. This is not really good in the forex trading industry. I believe that the FX God are good traders, or maybe they may be flashing up, but they are still good traders. They can make money from trading. But why wouldn't you just take that $60,000, which is real money? Because from what I'm seeing there, if you see that withdrawal of $60,000, it's real money. It's not like it's fake with demo. That is real money that they are withdrawing from their Xness platform, because you can't get that on Xness for that is fake. Okay, you can't fake a withdrawal on Xness, because Xness is regulated, so they don't allow those kind of things. It shows that they actually had $60,000 in their crypto wallet, but they just withdraw the money from their crypto wallet to their other wallet, maybe on Binance or Coinbase or any other different platform. They were just taking the money, trading the money on their live account, because with a $60,000 account, or let's say with a $50,000 account, you can still make $2,000 in a day. You can still make $1,000 in a day. You can still make $5,000 in a day. Why is that? Most of the time people want to deceive people by giving the mentality that they can make a lot of money within a short period of time. With a $50,000 account, you can be able to make even up to $5,000, or even $2,000, or even $1,000 in a day with no issues. And that's a lot of money that's a lot of money in South Africa. It's a lot of money in Africa. So this deception of deceiving traders that you're making withdrawals, you're making huge withdrawals, meanwhile you're trading on a demo account, is not really good. It's really bad for the forex industry. And to sum up this video, I followed up the video completely and I saw it very well. It was actually a demo account. They were actually trading a demo account, but because of their camera, they made a mistake and showed the part where the demo was coming out. Because if you zoom in very well, you will see the demo on that particular place. Why would they do this to us? Like, why would they deceive South African traders? Why would they deceive people from South Africa and from all over Africa that they are so profitable in trading? Meanwhile, they are trading demo accounts. I believe that FX Gold, they have a lot of money from trading. They have made a lot of money from trading, mentorship, and all these other things. I believe that the FX Gold can be able to make more money without withdrawal, because that's not a fake withdrawal. It may be a fake demo account which they are manipulating behind the scenes, but when it comes to that withdrawal, that is not a fake withdrawal. You cannot fake a withdrawal on Xness. So I do believe that the withdrawal from Xnet is real, but you can fake a withdrawal, right, on your Xnet account, because if you're using a demo Xnet account, you can be able to fake a withdrawal there. But when it comes to your Xnet platform, you cannot fake a withdrawal on the Xnet personal area platform. So why don't you just take that money, that's $60,000 or $60,000, and trade it on a regular normal account and make $2,000, $5,000, or even $3,000 or even $500 profit? That's more legit. But this idea of deceiving people that, okay, I'll take a $6,000 account or a $50,000 account and flip it to 1.2 million, 3 million, and deceive people that you're making money from trading, you know, flashing cars, flashing houses, that's completely bad. So to follow up this video, I went to that platform, to that page, and I realized that they have deleted the footage where that thing was coming from. So the video itself is about 33 minutes long, but right now if you go to that page on YouTube, they have kept the part where they were showing the demo account stuff, where they expose themselves. They have kept that part from YouTube, so you will see that the current video right now is about 31 minutes long. But it doesn't change the fact that they have lost the trust of many South African traders, or they have lost the trust of many people that look up to them as top traders. They wouldn't have cut out the part. They would have just apologized to the public that what they were doing was actually on a demo account. Okay, people will still understand you, but when you just cut out the part, it means that you're showing that you're actually fake. When you are fake and you have been exposed, you cannot hide it anymore. You cannot try to hide it anymore, because people have already seen what is going on. So I think it's really bad for the FX Go to do that, because they could just simply just trade that normal account, grow it gradually, and people will still believe that you're legit, because from your results, from your consistent results, it's going to show that you're actually legit in this particular business. But when you fake it out, when you try to fake things, fake your lifestyle, fake your cars, fake everything, and you run ads and you do all those things to deceive people, you get their mentorship fee, you get subscription fees on all these things. It's not good. It's not going to help you long term. So this is actually bad for the trading industry. This is actually bad for the trading industry, and I believe that traders can do much better than this. So we prefer that people should be legit. Even if they're making $20, $100, $20, please be legit in trading. You don't really necessarily have to live it, or you don't necessarily have to fake a lifestyle to prove that you are a good trader. You don't necessarily have to fake a lifestyle. If you are a good trader, be a good trader. Grow your accounts gradually. Make the 100 people and let it be legit. But don't deceive people that you're making $1 million, $10 million. Meanwhile, it's fake. I really love this guy called Randa Flix. He has been doing a lot of exposure, exposing these fake guys in the industry, and I really have to just clap for him. Thank you very much, Flix, for exposing the FX Gold. I'm not really the kind of person that loves to talk about traders and their indiscretion or where they are lagging at, but we need a lot of cleanup in this industry. We want people that are legit to be more visible than the ones that are fake. So I'll just kind of like forgive the FX Gold for what they have done. It doesn't really affect me personally, but I believe that they can do better. Next time they should learn to trade real accounts, and they should stop faking things out just to prove people that they are very good in trading. So that's it for this particular video. What do you think about this video? Drop it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Also, make sure you join our Telegram group where I do share free signals, insights on trading. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.